Downside breakout sell call, red color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Right now it's a sell call, sell signal, red color candle open. Right now you are watching this video, like this daily, you need to watch this chart. This chart will give the calls, signals automatically. So you just need to watch it. It happens, everything happen automatically. Due to that process, you will get like signals like entry, target and stop loss. Through these entries, you can do manual trade as well as auto trading also possible by connecting your broker account to this chart. If you want this chart, if you want to know the chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Right now you are watching in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, and it's a Friday market, October 4th. We are watching at 12:35, a downside breakout. So sell call came. So in the sell call, can you see that straight white line from red candle? That is our entry line. Below lines are target line, above line is the stop loss line. So the entry is sell at 50 to 557. So from 557 to 426, it's a 130 point first target range, more than 100 point first target. First 2 minute market was traded in entry point range of flat momentum and then started to move in bearish direction. In next 3 candle, it successfully break out the first target range. Within 5 minutes of sell call generated, it break out the first target range. 51,500 put option weekly expiry we are watching. In this out of the money, 160 is the entry line and market move all the way to 200, 210 like that. So due to a short time, a good momentum, it has given a good performance in the out of the money option. If you want this chart, you can change script, eat the money, at the money, out of the money. Even crude oil reliance also you can watch. If you want the chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the details in WhatsApp.